What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the trucking journey. We are at the Atlanta yard. I don't know if that backing job looked cool there, but yeah, that was some backing. But the plan is to run as hard as I can most of this week, which I should, I'm probably gonna run out of time around Thursday because I did not get a reset in. Reason is I didn't make it back Friday night. I had to finish Saturday morning, and well, I didn't want to wait till Sunday night to wait on a reset. But I need to get moving so I can get shut down so I can get up early and have a full day tomorrow. I'm getting ready to go grab an empty. I've got to go to Electrolux in Fairburn to get that, then headed to Villarica to the Sam's DC, and then headed to Jacksonville, which I think a hurricane sort of headed in that direction as well. But we should beat Dorian there. So Sam's will be a delivery tomorrow in my shift. One thing that's always cool about Sam's, now certain truck drivers could probably mess this up, but in my experience, whenever I deliver to Sam's, I always, make a friend with the shipping and receiving person and say, hey, is it okay if I, grab a couple of things while I'm here? They're like, sure, go on through. Now, you can grab your few things. Here's the deal though, you can't check out at the regular register if you're not a Sam's Club member with a Sam's Club card. But for drivers, it's been my experience anyway, that deliver there, you can go up to customer service and they'll check you out. Which Sam's is a pretty great grocery store. Not so, well, some things are definitely ideal for the truck driver, but it's larger than normal quantities. Like I got some beef sticks. Actually, we don't have time to talk about beef sticks. We've got to get on the road because people, it's time to get back trucking. That's some good coffee. It's hot too. This has the grass-fed butter, coconut oil, a little cinnamon, a little cayenne pepper, and a little turmeric. And it makes me bulletproof. Some people call it bulletproof coffee, keto coffee. It's the way I start my day. I've been doing it for over a year now. I'm down a little over 40 pounds, and I may have had breakfast 5 times in the last year. I do it on special occasions. Most of the time though, I skip it, make a cup of this, and get trucking. And well, that's what we're about to do. I am 170 miles from the Sam's Club in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm waking up in Tifton, Georgia at the Loves. Just got me a shower, so come on. Slick in the hair right now. I have a variety of hairstyles that I could do. If you've got a suggestion, drop it below in the comments, but it's time. Well, let me check. It is. It's time to get back trucking. made it to Jacksonville, but we've got to do this quick because there's a hurricane coming. And I need to go inside and grab a couple of memory cards. Here's the deal. We're at a Sam's store. This is my trailer that I brought. That's a trailer somebody else brought that's loaded. There's an open door, and then there's 2 empty trailers in the dock. So with all that being said, I'm gonna take my trailer, stick it there, unhook, hop over, hook up to this one, pull it out of the way, then unhook, come back and grab this one and put it in the dock there, and then I'll be able to hook up to my empty trailer wherever it happens to be over here, and then we're gonna be able to get on the road. Actually picking up here in Jacksonville, going to North Carolina. Dorian's coming, people. Well, I wasn't expecting this, but I'm gonna have to put my work boots on today. We've got a trailer that's stuck in the dock, and here's why I made my boot switch. All right, so probably the best way to get out of this is to deflate the airbags of the trailer. And that made no difference at all. Still got a little ways it could go down though. All right, that's done. Sorry there wasn't video of every step of the way, but we're headed to the port, and we need to get there before Dorian.
Got that track for you again Wednesday at 2 a.m. Here's a look. Continues again, moving what looks like more than 100 miles offshore, at least in this current proposal from NHC as of 5 a.m. and continues to boogie right on up the eastern side.
All right, we're gonna wrap up this episode. I've been trying to wrap it up for about 48 hours now, it seems like. This has just not been a smooth week. Maybe it's the hurricane. I don't know. Charleston's being evacuated. I was in Charleston earlier today delivering some hurricane relief supplies, generators, and batteries, but I'm parked. Today was my 3rd day in a row exceeding 500 miles, and guys, I had to work for it, let me tell you. I'm not in the best mood. A lot of things have not been going the way I want them the last few weeks. I'm not going to get into all the details, but my Gamecocks just absolutely blew a game to an inferior team in North Carolina over the weekend. And our senior starting quarterback, well, he's out for the season now with a broken foot. So we have a freshman quarterback the rest of the way. Kid's supposed to be good. I don't know a whole lot about him. Never seen him on the field, but he'll be on the field Saturday. But yeah, that's my story, guys. this vlogging and trucking at a high level, I forgot how challenging it was. I'm wore out. But I think I've got this video about ready for you guys. I just have to throw this in here. And there's a crazy bunch of Carolina kids that's hanging out in this parking lot that I'm shut down in. and they're looking for ways to have fun, and I have to give it to them for creativity. But I'm going to show you that in this last clip. But I will see you guys in the next episode. I don't know if it'll be later this week or next week, but if you have not subscribed and hit the bell for notifications, that's the way you can guarantee you're not going to miss anything on this channel. But thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. But until then, be safe out there and keep on trucking.
Everybody going through a little something, something. Sing a little song with a guitar strum and smile on your brother. Had a good life.